You want to be higher?
Yeah.
Well, I told you have to go over to the other branch.
But why is Emily up there?
Nope, she's moved now. So, Everly, can you wave?
Hi.
Where are you?
I'm up here.
What are you in? What are you
I'm
in?
in a tree.
How'd you get up there?
I climbed it.
There you go, buddy. Yep.
I climbed and
Good
climbed
job.
and climbed and climbed and climbed and climbed.
Now watch your toes, because here comes Gray.
I want to get higher.
Can you believe your children are climbing a tree? We had to share it with you. Love you, babe.